Hey guys, we are in this fast moving world that has entered the fourth revolution and suddenly this pandemic happened. So whether we like it or not, several professions in the world will go through a change. 10 to 15 years down the line, some of the careers that might be very popular right now may not even exist. But let me strike your attention towards the incredible field of law, which is standing strong even after all the odds. On the contrary, it is evolving rapidly with new arena and opportunities. During these trying times, arbitration law, international law, cyber law, intellectual property laws, banking law, merger and acquisitions, and many more will emerge as a most sought after career option. So guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. I'm Advocate Nisha Lotia, and today I'll discuss why should you become a lawyer. The most easiest and the simplest answer is that after receiving only one degree, that is the LLB degree, you can do plethora of things and at the same time have the satisfaction of serving the society at large. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started with the career options. After achieving the LLB degree, one can go for an advocacy, which is a childhood dream of many students. As you see a lot of scenes in the movies of the people in the black robe and arguing for justice, so many students want to pursue this career as their dream. So guys, go ahead and I'm sure you will be a successful lawyer. Okay, the other opportunity what we see over here is of government services. After giving examinations like ILS, that is the Indian Legal Services, one can become law secretary, which is a very high paying, respectable and demanding choice. Apart from this, you can even advise the government on variety of issues. This has been always most seeking career options after doing your law degree, guys. The other option you can see is about the legal advisor, which are also called as in-house lawyers. So if you are not comfortable with court visits, then you can opt in specialize in specific areas of law like contract law, labor or compensation issues, harassment issues and other workplace conflicts, and you are good to go with the 9 to 5 job in corporates. So this is also one of a very good choice as a legal advisor. The next in the list is the most prestigious and a high profile career in judiciary. Guys, now this information will be an eye-opener. Through planning and correct guidance, one can be a judge at a very young age by attempting the required examinations. Judiciary is one of the most important pillars, and if done in a right way, it is a very prestigious post which will give you all the things, the name, fame and the money. So one of the most you can say a high caliber job is a judiciary job, guys. The next in the line is the most in thing nowadays, that is the legal outsourcing. As India continues to gain from the outsourcing boom, LPO opens avenues to both an alternative legal career and a high paying job. Even the overseas job over here will pay you very well. Okay guys, the next option in the list is joining a private firm. So for a fresh law graduate, working in a law firm can be a great reason for multiple choices. You make good money for all the hours you put. You work on complex legal issues. You work with big clients who expect the level of advice to be the top notch. So here even a fresh law graduate can groom themselves and at the same time be paid for it. Okay, so even working in the private companies can be of a very good starter for your career. The next in the line is very interesting and a high profile job of becoming a solicitor. Once you get into this field, it is a very well sought after career option, which will pay you very well and which is also considered as a white collar job, guys. The next in the line is the another aspect which is in demand is your legal executive. A legal executive needs to keep himself updated with changes and developments in the laws and are required to have organization skills, communication skills, negotiating skills, investigative skills, etc. So if you are good with it and you think that you can manage all these things, then legal executive is something which is a high profile job, well earning job, and where you will be having a work life balance by working for the fixed hours. So this is something which is looked after very well. The next in the line is media and publications. With legal news making the national headlines all the times, the career in this industry is unmatched in breadth and scope. If you are interested in journalism, then the LLB degree can be of great advantage to work with the top class editors. Media and publication is something which will make you in touch with people whom you always wanted to be with, interview those celebrities whom you always wanted to talk to. So a very challenging and a very fascinating opportunity is media and publication. So getting into this line will become very easy if you have a LLB degree in your hand. Okay guys, so next in the line is nothing but your academia. Academia is regarding your being a teacher, okay, being a law teacher. So over here guys, this is a very good opportunity because many students are looking for the law career, whereby you can teach them, and it is one of the most noble profession which will give you immense pleasure, respect and satisfaction. And the scope is really wide when it comes to academia, guys. The next in the line is politics. Let me tell you, if you are a person who wants to join politics but does not know how to go ahead with it, then the law degree can be of great help. Right from the British rule until date, you will see a lot of lawyers at the top levels in politics. So politics, to get into it, and working with all high profile people will be very easy once you have a law degree, guys. The last but not the least in my list is the corporate counsel. Now, rather than working for a variety of clients, corporate counsels typically work for their employers. From advising to attending trials and other legal proceedings related to company, all are managed by the corporate counsel. Now, corporate counsels are very high paid profile jobs, and at the same time you get all the amenities and perks and facilities enjoyed. So this is also one of the most leading professions right now. Guys, in this video I have made an attempt to give you some career options after achieving the degree, but let me make you aware that still there are various other options also in this vast field of law. So guys, we are at Manoeuvre serves the student to pass the entrance exam of law with flying colors, which is your first stepping stone towards your successful career. Whether it is MHLAW-CET 3 years or 5 years, CLAT, SLAT, AILET, DU-LLB or any other entrance exam, we have both the online and the offline classes for the same. We have the entire sectional courses, we have the books, and we have the mock test, which is the most crucial part of the entrance exam, guys. So for online program, you can call us on 8828581455, or you can visit our website manoeuvreedu.com/law-entrance. Guys, we are located at Borivali, Dadar and VASAI, and I'm happy to announce that we are coming to Pune also very soon. So guys, stay home, stay safe, and all the best for your future.